Differentiate the function with respect to 2x, cot inverse of cos x upon 1 plus sin x. So let us write it as a y. So let y is equal to cot inverse of cos x upon 1 plus sin x. So before differentiating, so let us simplify what is cos x upon 1 plus sin x. Let's recall once the formulas. Cos x we can write cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. And 1 plus sin x we can simplify it as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. It is 1. Sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 is 1. And plus sin x we can write it as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So we can write it as it's like a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write this cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square, or sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. So that our cos x upon 1 plus sin x we can write it as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Again, the numerator part we can just simplify by using your a square minus b square property. So we can write this as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2 cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So we can cancel this one of the term, and the remaining cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. And further simplification by taking cos x by 2 common. So we can write cos x by 2 by taking common, or dividing with cos x by 2 for both the numerator and denominator. So we will have 1 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 comes as a tan x by 2 divided by again cos x by 2 taken common in the denominator. So we have 1 plus tan x by 2. So we can cancel this, and can be written 1 minus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan x by 2. Right, so we have simplified cos x upon 1 plus sin x as 1 minus tan x by 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. And now we had a function, so y is equal to cot inverse of cos x upon 1 plus sin x. So this can be written as cot inverse of 1 minus tan x upon 2 by 1 plus tan x upon 2 . So which can also be written converting cot inverse into tan inverse. Tan inverse of 1 upon means the reciprocal of it. So we'll have 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan x by 2. So this 1 plus tan x upon by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2 is the formula for tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, tan a plus b formula, tan pi by 4 that is 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 that is 1 into tan x by 2. So this is the formula for 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus 1 minus tan x by 2. Therefore, so y is equal to tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 we can write, or we can use it tan inverse of tan theta we can write pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, so we have, so dy by dx is equal to differentiation of constant is 0 plus differentiation of x by 2 is 1 upon 2. So our answer is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, thank you.